Ever notice there's no resisting a yawn when you see someone else do it? Welcome back. In 60 seconds, here's why yawns spread like wildfire. When you spot a yawn, your mirror neurons fire and make you copy it. No surprise, it's a social bonding trick that even dogs, apes, and some birds use. Yawning isn't just about being sleepy. It cools your brain, boosts blood flow, and sharpens your focus. And get this, a 2014 Princeton study found that the more empathetic you are, the faster and more often you catch yawns. Next time you yawn along, remember it's a tiny reminder that we're all connected. If that blew your mind, tap like and follow for more quick science.